Did you know that there are certain herbs for eyesight that can support your vision and keep it from diminishing? There are also herbs that are known to actually improve eyesight. You've heard about the supplements we constantly recommend here at Rebuild Your Vision, but we don't often talk about herbs. If you're looking for more ways to support good eye health beyond taking our Ocu-Plus formula, you may want to incorporate these herbs into your weekly diet. By using a combination of herbs for improving vision and herbs for supporting vision, you can greatly boost your overall eye health and promote clear vision without needing contacts, glasses, or corrective surgery. Isn't it nice to do things the natural way? This will not only save your vision overall, but it will also save you money in the long run. Let's learn more about these best herbs for eyesight. Number 1. Saffron. Saffron's distinct crimson strands have been a feature in various traditional medicinal practices worldwide. Its wealth of carotenoids, notably crocin, provides substantial antioxidant attributes. These pigments are key in defending our eyes against oxidative stress, which is implicated in various ocular conditions. Research has been exploring saffron's positive impact on eye diseases like age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and retinal health. And there is evidence suggesting that saffron supplementation can enhance light sensitivity and visual sharpness in early stages of AMD. Number 2. Jingo Biloba. Jingo Biloba, also known as the maidenhair tree, is remarkable for being one of the oldest tree species and has a historic presence in traditional Chinese medicine. Its leaves are teeming with flavonoids and terpenoids, both known for their therapeutic properties. Primarily recognized for its cognitive boosting qualities, Ginkgo biloba's boon to circulation makes it a crucial herb for eye health. By promoting blood flow, including to the small vessels in our eyes, Ginkgo biloba supports the delivery of vital nutrients and oxygen. This herb is particularly adept at managing conditions such as glaucoma, where impaired circulation is a significant concern. Its antioxidant nature also offers a shield against oxidative stress, and studies have shown ginkgo's potential in improving visual field damage, particularly in normal tension glaucoma. Number 3. Bilberry. Bilberry, for starters, is rich in compounds called anthocyanins, which give the berry its deep blue hue. But the benefits run deeper than just color. These anthocyanins are potent antioxidants that help neutralize harmful free radicals in our bodies, including those which can inflict damage on our eyes. The strength of bilberry lies in its ability to maintain ocular health by preventing oxidative damage that's associated with age-related eye conditions. Ongoing research points to bilberry's potential in enhancing night vision and improving visual sharpness. Furthermore, bilberry's influence on blood flow is exceptional. Proper circulation is indispensable for nourishing the eyes with essential nutrients and oxygen, and antioxidants are crucial in this role by counteracting free radicals that could otherwise lead to conditions like age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Bilberry also helps in reducing the risk of vision-related conditions like AMD. Number 4. Turmeric. Besides being an antioxidant, turmeric is also beneficial to the eyes. Turmeric reduces the presence of oxidation in the eye's lens. As a result, the eye's lens remains sharp and accurate. Additionally, turmeric contains an ingredient known as curcumin, which promotes healthy eyes. Researchers have found that this compound is effective in treating dry eye syndrome. Furthermore, it can also prevent the onset of retinal degeneration. A sore throat can also be cured with turmeric thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. This keeps the pharynx located behind the nasal cavity well functioning, leading to lesser stress on retinal nerves. Number 5. Fennel Seeds. The eyes are very sensitive to allergens in the air and infections. A simple head cold can cause your eyes to be puffy, red, and irritated. As the seasons change and different pollens enter the air, you may suffer from watery, itchy eyes for weeks at a time. To soothe your eyes holistically, try a fennel seed eye rinse. Fennel is an anti-inflammatory herb that also relieves pain and sensitivity. In a teacup, pour 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Add hot water from a tea kettle. Once the water cools off, strain out the fennel seeds. Soak a couple of cotton balls in the water and place them over the eyelids. Do this a few times each day to soothe irritated eyes. Number 6. Bentonite clay. One great natural remedy for eye strain is bentonite clay, made from volcanic ash, Bentonite clay has dozens of trace minerals and a negative ionic charge. When made into a poultice, this special ingredient helps to remove toxins from the eye, which can help to heal eye infections. Simply paint the clay onto 2 cotton balls and place them on your closed eyelids. Allow the clay to rest there for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove and rinse your face. If you struggle with puffy eyes too from lack of sleep, although you really should get your 8 hours every night, bentonite clay could be a solution for that as well. Make a mask out of the clay and water and apply it under your eyes. Let it sit for 20 minutes and rinse it off. You'll be surprised at how refreshed you will look and feel. If this is a chronic issue for you, you can safely repeat this procedure multiple times a week. Number 7. Ibrite. Ibrite is a herb that can improve eye health, interestingly as the name also suggests. There is evidence that it can treat conjunctivitis, also known as pink eye. It is a very communicable disease and can affect the health of other employees in the workplace. Blepharitis is an inflammation of the eyelids resulting from an eye infection. The ibrite can significantly reduce inflammation and cure the infection. Hence, whenever employees feel itchy or irritated eyes, they can bring this herb into use for an effective cure. Ibrite can be applied directly to the eyes as a lotion for desired results. There are also eye drops available with ibrite extracts. Number 8. Passion flower. Extract from Passiflora incarnata is a great herb for eye strain. This herb helps to prevent irritation and also works as a nerve relaxer. Like fennel seeds, you can soak cotton balls in a passion flower extract and warm water mixture. Pressing these compresses against your eyes can soothe eye strain and relax your nerves. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes at least. This is a great time to give your eyes a rest from screen time anyway. Using herbs that help alleviate eye strain will improve your overall vision, because tired, strained eyes don't perform at their best. Number 9. Grape seed. Grape seed extract contains numerous phytochemicals like flavonoids, linoleic acid, vitamin E, and oligomeric proanthocyanidins, which are considered beneficial to those suffering from eye strain, diabetic retinopathy, cataracts, and macular degeneration. Out of this, oligomeric proanthocyanidins are especially known to enhance overall eye health due to their antihistamine and antioxidant properties. Number 10. Milk thistle. Milk thistle has amazing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties usually used to detoxify the liver. Fat-soluble vitamins and glutathione present in the liver and are responsible for repairing any eye damage, thus the health of the liver plays an important part in the health of your eyes as well. Silymarin, a component of milk thistle, are known for its liver-supporting properties as well as reducing the sugar levels in the eyes of diabetics.